Okay, children. Today we're going to be talking about babies. And where babies come from.
Biologically, the desire to have children is just to replicate a tiny version of yourself and not fuck it up the way that you were fucked up. You're fucked up.
Now, it all starts off with an egg, kind of like a chicken egg, but this egg needs a little fishy called a sperm to get to it. And they go into the uterus and they get there through the woman's vagina.
Is this bitch serious?
Do we eat babies every time we have scrambled eggs?
That is so unimportant.
No,
Not those.
Yes, princess.
Princesses don't have babies because that makes them fat.
You wrote that down.
Normally, they come right through the vagina.
Oh, I'm gonna vomit.
But they don't all come out alive.
Where is the vagina?
Oh,
Okay.
shit. Fuck.
The vagina,
No, keep saying vagina. Go ahead.
How do you spell that?
Okay.
V
Mm-hmm.
A
Mm-hmm.
G
Mm-hmm.
I
Mm-hmm.
N
Mm-hmm.
A.
Mm-hmm.
One more time just to make sure I have it
yeah.
right.
No, one more time, just so she has it right.
V
Mm-hmm.
A
Mm-hmm.
G
Mm-hmm.
I
Mm-hmm.
N
Mm-hmm.
A.
Fuck.
The vagina is at the top of your legs.
Oh, so we pee the babies out.
Not really. It comes from a different hole. And I've heard it better described as shitting out a baby.
Well, I'm never gonna have a baby then.
Oh,
Princesses don't poop.
I like pooping. I should have a lot of babies.
Good for you.
Okay, I'm just gonna have to go out on a limb here and say that nobody here should be having children.
I know you're sexually active.
Yeah, like, ridiculously active, but these chicks should nowhere near penises.
The first time that you have sex, it could be very painful.
Yeah, you know what? If it hurts a regular person, it's probably gonna kill Priscilla.
You know who sex really hurts for? Probably the poor girls in Africa who get genuinely mutilated when they're children.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Did you know that redheads have a higher pain tolerance?
That is true. Have some respect for the other children that might be interested in this. This is really important information.
Oh, but I'm sorry, are you crying again? Are you crying again? Do you want something to cry about?
Should I be
here.
changing this to an STD class? Now please pay attention.
You're an STD.
What's an STD?
That right there. You're aware that we're 10, right? This is probably some sort of sex crime that you're committing right now. How many watch lists are you on?
This is not worth $20.
Who's paying her $20?
Really, the older the women get, the more we lose value in society.
Jesus Christ.